Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Suites Baltimore North, Timonium, MD. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Hampton Inn Suites Baltimore North, Timonium, MD has an indoor pool and a fitness center. Complimentary parking is also available. Hampton Inn Suites has guest laundry services as well. All rooms have a free Wi-Fi and mini refrigerators. All guests have access to breakfast. Hampton Inn Suites Timonium has a 24-hour front desk and a business center. Baltimore is 14 miles from Hampton Inn Suites Baltimore North, Timonium, MD. Baltimore Washington International Airport is 25 miles from Hampton Inn Suites Baltimore North, Timonium, MD, and Maryland State Fairgrounds is only 1.4 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.